Hello everyone. Welcome to the form filling video guidelines for Christ University entrance test. Christ University has announced the dates for the entrance test. The registrations for which starts on 8 December 23 and ends on 28 April 2024. The entrance test is going to be conducted in 136 cities across 25 states. The official website is christuniversity.in/admissions undergraduate. Now, before we start filling up the form and understand the step-by-step process, let us see which are the important checklist for the form filling process. So we need to keep the following documents ready before we start filling up the form. The first important document is the recent passport size photograph in the following formats only. Then the student should also keep handy the class 10th mark sheet because it needs to be uploaded while filling up the form. And if a student has completed the 12th grade, the student needs to keep ready the 12th mark sheet, or if the student is in grade 12, the student needs to keep ready his 11th mark sheet. So make sure before we start filling up the form, we keep these three documents ready. Now, the official link to start the registration process is espro.christuniversity.in/application. When you click on this link, you will see this page getting opened. Now, the first step here is we have to click on register here. The moment you click on register here, it will ask you to fill the following details. Now, very important, here the name should be exactly as per the 10th mark sheet. Then you need to have a valid email ID followed by the mobile number. Then select the date of birth and make sure you see the requisites which are essential to set the password. After you fill in all the details, click on register. Then you will get an OTP on your email ID to verify the same, and then with your login credentials you will log in and you will see this dashboard. Now here, the moment you see the dashboard, you will see new application and application status. So we are supposed to click on new application, and just below that you will see a drop down wherein we need to select undergraduate program. Now this is a very important stage. The student needs to be clear which program is he or she planning to apply for. The moment you click on undergraduate, you will see a list of program names, where are they being offered, when are the forms open, and they are open till what date. Now, for example, if somebody wants to search for a particular program, they can use this box, click on the select program tab. Let's say if somebody wants to apply BBA, the moment you click on BBA, it will show you the various programs like BBA Honors, BBA Tourism, and so on and so forth. And let's say I want to apply for BBA Honors with Research. On the right hand side, I will see Apply Now. Now, the very important point is the moment I click on Apply Now, I will see the BBA Honors program is being offered at various campuses. So let's say that particular program is available at 3 campuses. So I will select the course. Then let's say I want to give my first preference to Delhi. So I'll give my first preference to Delhi. Then my second preference will be Pune or maybe Bangalore, depending upon which campus I want to apply for. But ideally, if you ask me which is the right preference that I should be allocating to the campus, it should be the Bangalore campus first, followed by Delhi and then Pune. Now, Delhi and Pune will purely depend upon your location, whether you are based in Delhi or whether you are based in Pune. Now, it may so happen that a particular course is only available at either Delhi campus or maybe Pune or maybe both or maybe only at Bangalore campus, or a particular program may be available in Bangalore, Delhi and Pune as well. So select the right program, allocate the preference, and we have to upload in this page only the recent passport size photograph. After you upload the photograph, you have to go to the next page. Now, very important here we are selecting the second program, then the location. Now, it's a 7-step process. The first step is the program selection. Then we have to accept the terms and conditions, fill the personal details, followed by address and the parent details. then educational details, and then it will ask you to preview the entire form, and then comes the selection of the date of the entrance test. Now, after you are done with the program selection, then you will accept all these terms and conditions and then click on Save and Proceed. After you click on Save and Proceed, it will ask you to fill in the personal details, citizenship, whether you are an Indian or a foreigner. Depending upon the citizenship, you will select the right drop down, select your gender, blood group, mother tongue, religion, category, are you disabled or not, and we have to select the country of birth, the state of birth, the place, and how did you come to know about Christ College. Then if you have any sport achievements, you can mention that and click on Save and Proceed. A very simple page to fill upon. After this comes your current address. Mention the correct appropriate address with the country, zip code, and your city, district, and the state as well. Then is permanent address same as current? Click on yes. If not, they will ask you to fill the other address as well. After this comes your parent information. Make sure we select the right, or we fill in the right information. It will ask you about your father name, qualification, mobile number. Similarly, the same is the case for mother details as well. Then if you have any guardian, you can mention your guardian information also. After that, just click on Save and Proceed. After that, it comes the educational qualifications. Now make sure you keep your 10th mark sheet handy in the form of a hard copy also, as well as soft copy, because we have to upload the 10th mark sheet. Select the board, the year of passing, the month of passing, the country of the institution, followed by the name, the state of the institution, the marks obtained, and upload the mark sheet. Followed by, now if you are currently in 12th grade, then you have to upload your 11th mark sheet, and if you are already cleared your 12th, then you have to upload your 12th mark sheet, and the details of the 12th mark sheet will be uploaded. So make sure, depending upon whether you are in 12th right now or you have finished 12th, upload the appropriate mark sheet and fill in the correct details. After this, we have to preview the entire form that you have filled right from the program selection. It will show you the programs that you have applied for depending upon the preferences that you have selected. Then it will show you the personal data, followed by the address and the parent details. Then comes your educational details. Make sure we review it properly. If there is any mistake, you can edit it and fill in the correct information. After that, it will ask you, do you wish to attend selection process outside India? So if you are an Indian resident, you will select a no. After that, it will show you, please choose your preference entrance date. As of now, in the drop down, there are two dates available. One is 7th April and one is 11th May. So you will select one of the dates. Then it will ask you to select the state, which state you want to take the exam. So select the appropriate state. After that, it will ask you to select the city. So for example, if I selected Maharashtra, it will show me the following cities. I selected Pune. Now very important, after the entrance test, there will be a skill assessment test which is called micro presentation, followed by a personal interview. Now we have to select a venue for the same. The moment you click on the venue, it will show you the 5 preferences like Bangalore Central Campus, Bangalore Kengri Campus, followed by Delhi NCR Campus, Kolkata, and Pune. So we have to select the venue for the skill assessment as well as the personal interview. After you select that, then please choose the date for the PI, personal interview, as well as the skill assessment process. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. The moment you click on accept, it will ask you for the payment for the same. The application fees is 1700 rupees. Select the appropriate means to make the payment, and make sure before you make the payment, you review the form completely, and if there is any mistake, you edit and fill in the correct details. Thank you.